CJ Krantz has been around for almost 80 years now. What we do is we supply landscapers and municipalities and governments with landscape supplies, things like mulch, and soil, stone, compost. The thing that makes us unique is that we actually do a lot of production here as well. We're not just a distributor that buys stuff from somewhere else. We actually manufacture everything here. So we're actually both an operations as well as a sales functioning company. That makes for some unique situations and issues that we have to deal with. Since we are using raw materials that we get from other people, we also have to monitor what comes into our facility. In order to do that, if we have a landscaper or a tree company who's dropping something off to us, we have to make sure that that product is in its purest form.
So the application was unique that we needed to see a large area in excess of over 5 acres of very tall, 20, 30 foot tall compost and material mountains, if you will. And based on the issue that the customer said there are fire concerns and making sure that they can monitor the traffic inbound and outbound of the facility pretty much day and night, that they need to be able to do that from not only business day but also at nighttime when they're at home or away from the business, that they can get into it remotely to be able to use an app on their cell phone to be able to access it, or an app on their iPad, or even through a laptop through the web to be able to look at the images, look across the entire property quickly in high definition and be able to ascertain, is there a problem or is there not? Is there something we need to attend to before it becomes a bigger emergency? So what we did, there was a unique opportunity. There was a tower in the back of the facility that already existed that stretched up 30, 40 feet into the air. And using several cameras as an array across the top of that tower, it shoots out over the over 5 acre facility, segment by segment, that they can more or less stitch together and look at the entire expanse very fast across their devices. So it was a unique installation to go ahead and get the information from the tower down into the office and onto a monitor that the owner of the company can go ahead and look at when he's at the business, up on the monitor, as well as across the devices remotely.
So the customer has very specific reasons for the cameras, environmental and dumping of illegal items. So we wanted to make sure that we caught the entire facility with the 6 cameras that we put up on the tower. Getting up very high was going to be the ideal situation, so we got the proper boom lift and the proper people to go up on that who aren't intimidated by the heights and things like that, to get the actual pieces and parts mounted and up there and done.